So, our topic is the algebra of complex number. So, we have addition, subtraction, multiplication, and the other one is division. We are not yet done there. So, let's focus first on the first three. For addition, if you have negative 6 plus pi by to be added with 4 minus 3i, apply the same algebraic knowledge that you have. So, tanggalin nyo lang yung mga parentheses. So, you have recopy, negative 6 plus pi by, then here, plus 4 minus 3i. Then, apply addition. So, you have now negative 2 plus 2i. So, this is linear. On the other hand, for subtraction, the same. So, negative 6 plus pi by minus parenthesis 4 minus 3i. Then, just remove the parenthesis. Then, apply. So, as you notice here, we have negative 6 plus pi by minus 4. Then, multiply negative times negative becomes now positive, which is 3i. So, therefore, we have now negative 10 plus 8i. For the multiplication, the same thing as you have in your algebra or trigonometry knowledge. So, in this example, we have negative 6 plus pi by the first term multiplied by the second term, which is 4 minus 3i. So, here, the same thing with algebra. Multiply the first term with the first term of the second term. So, yan. So, we have negative 24 plus 18i. 6 times 3, 18i. Then, yung isa naman. So, pi by times 4 equals 20i. Pi by times negative 3i becomes negative 15i squared. As you notice, this is now your power. So, simplify, you have now negative 24 plus 38i minus 15i squared, where I squared equals negative 1. So, we have now negative 24 plus 38i minus 15 times negative 1. We have now negative 24 plus 38i plus 15. Because negative 15 times negative 1 is positive 15. Finally, you have now negative 9 plus 38i. Now, if you apply polar form, say you have 4 times angle 38 times 6 times angle 40, just multiply the r. So, 4 times 6 becomes 24, then add the degrees. So, 38 plus 40 equals 78. So, you have now 24 angle 78. If your problem looks like this in terms of polar form. So, in division, you have 4 minus 3i divided by negative 6 plus 5i. So, you have the division sign here. To solve it, just conjugate. So, you have negative 6 minus 5i over negative 6 minus 5i. In conjugation, change the sign of the second term. Here you have positive 5i, here becomes negative 5i. Also the denominator negative 5i. As you notice, in conjugation, you multiply only 1. Because negative 6 5i over negative 6 5i is also 1. So, apply multiplication now. So we have negative 24, negative 20i, positive 18i, positive 15i squared over 36 plus 30i minus 30i minus 25i squared. Then simplify. So we have negative 24, negative 2i plus 15i squared over 36, 0 minus 25i squared. Again, I squared equals negative 1. Then substitute it there. So we have negative 24 minus 2i plus 15 times negative 1 over 36 minus 25 times negative 1. So we have now negative 24 minus 2i minus 15 over 36 plus 25. So finally, you have now negative 39 minus 2i over 61. Or we have negative 39 over 61 minus 2 over 61 I. So if you have, in the polar form, you have 12 times angle 42 degrees divided by 4 times angle 15 degrees. The process looks like this. So you have 12 angle 42 degrees divided by 4 angle 15 degrees equals 4 divided by 12 divided by 4 becomes 3. Then, subtract 42 degrees minus 15 degrees. So you have now 3 angle 27 degrees. Okay?